Welcome back to Reviews. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about getting off some water spots, some scratches, some dings. Now this is stuff you might find after a winter of letting your boat forget about you. Now you've remembered it and it's getting to know you again. It's telling you that there might be some stuff that you should take care of before you get back out in the water. Now even though the shine on this boat isn't terrible, the chemicals we normally use to get rid of the water spots were kind of bouncing off, so we just figured we'd jump into it with some Super Duty Heavy Cut and some Perfected EXAC. Up here in the front, you're going to see that the mud flaps were missing on this monster truck, and he likes to hit the trailer a little bit hard sometimes. I think he's learning a lesson. Alright, what did we use? Super Duty, Heavy Cut, and Perfected EXAC by 3M. Everything's down in the description. Go ahead and check it out. You'll see all about it. That said, after we wash this boat, we're probably going to want to protect it because it's dark, Gelcoat, and we did a lot of work to it, and the owner probably doesn't want to pay for it again, and we don't want to risk going through these decals on the side, which I'm pretty sure we would have had we sanded. We were going to go ahead and apply a wax polish sealant to this that, if you protect it, keep it clean, can last well over a year. But beyond that, it also has the ability to repel spiders. You might not have all that many spiders in your area. Over here we've got quite a few, and it's annoying because they sit under your canvas, and every time you go to take the canvas off or unsnap the covers, they jump out at you. They got spider webs everywhere. They're eating bugs all over the place. So instead, what we're going to use is some stuff that's kind of sitting right here. And you might see some oil at the top when you get yours. Go ahead and do what I do and just shake it up. There you go. Once you do that, everything will be set and you're ready to go. So wash the boat down, apply this stuff, enjoy your boat. That's really what it's all about. I've been working on building this product for about 10 years, the last 3.5 years testing it, and I'm happy with it enough to sell it to you and let you go, hey, it's either good or it's bad. I'll let you decide. I think it's awesome, but that's just me. Anyway, on a boat like this, you kind of want to make it look as good as you can for as long as you can. If you put most common off-the-shelf waxes onto this boat, you might get 6 months of protection out of that, which is great. I'd like more, like a lot more. And if you'd like a lot more too, go ahead and check out this QR code. Hit me up. It's $48 for a bottle or $23 for a sample. Thanks for watching, y'all. Cheers.